In this video, we discuss the safety of Leonardo AI image generator tool. In general, Leonardo AI is safe to use. No major security breaches have been reported on the platform. However, like any AI platform, there is always a chance of misuse. For example, Leonardo AI could generate offensive images. You need to use the platform responsibly and be aware of the risk. Here are some tips for using Leonardo AI safely. Be aware of misuse potential of the platform. Do not create images that are harmful or offensive. Be careful about what information you provide to the platform and keep your account information secure. There are safety features of Leonardo AI. User moderation. Leonardo AI has a team of human moderators who review generate images for safety concerns. Leonardo AI has a feedback loop that allows users to report any issues they encounter with the platform. Leonardo AI has a feedback loop that allows users to report any issues they encounter with the platform. This feedback is used to improve Leonardo AI safety features. This platform is constantly updated with security patches. These patches protect users from potential security threats. So friends, use this platform wisely.